here?
Over this way.
Oh, what a beauty.
Whoa. I've never seen that thing come here. I wish it was a new livery.
Inbound from Austin, Texas.
I wish it was a new livery.
Yeah, that would have been cool.
Target 290, turn right on runway 16. Taxi down 16 to Foxtrot. Stay with me. Foxtrot.
Right on 16. Okay, go now.
Just as 433 Stewart Tower, takeoff distance runway 27 available, 8,500 feet, winds calm, runway 27 shortened, you clear to takeoff. Sure, thanks for your help, and clear to takeoff runway 27, that's 433.
Alright, the one plane that Steve wanted to see take off.
290, proceed down to Foxtrot and then taxi into the Atlantic ramp with me by Foxtrot and Charlie.